Hey y'all, I'm about to shave my face. This is a great way to get smooth base of makeup, and your skin is going to look a lot more clearer. My face is clean, just finished, just got the shower. So now I'm about to do this. This is like so last minute. I wanna just do more hands-on things with y'all that's like random and out, just last minute. No music, no talking. If I choose to talk, I mean, whatever, right? Excuse the stain, y'all. It came from when I was brushing my teeth. It just dripped down here. Okay, so face is clean, hands are clean, ish, or whatever. I'm about to put some oil on my face. I'm going to use castor oil on my face. Black castor oil. You can use vitamin E oil. I don't recommend this at home, but you know how to do your skin and stuff at home, you can go for it, okay? So I'm about to get my skin is clean, everything. Yeah. So now, what did I just do with that? This is what happens all the time. I'm always losing something. My razor, where is it? Okay, right here. Okay, so I'm going to do my forehead first. Gets a little messy sometimes. All right, I don't have a close mirror, so I'm about to use the camera on my phone. This is why I need that mirror. Let me just kind of go here real quick. See the difference already? See the difference already? So yeah, it's about to get real. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the side of my face. I'm doing laundry anyway, so I'm just, it doesn't hurt. Okay, so now this is where you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful in general. This is the razor. It's real sharp, okay? Let me. If you're gonna try this at home, I don't recommend it. Just use a regular, like those little cheap shavers. And go slow. Y'all see that? Excuse me. this helps your skin to like, for your skincare to go on a lot smoother. A lot smoother, your makeup. Boom. So you see the difference? You guys see the difference already? See the difference already? Okay, other side, and I'm almost done. I'm right-handed, so it's kind of like, see all that hair? It's not a lot, but still. Ooh. Almost done. Okay, so pretty much done. That's it. Do not use your hands to take this apart. Boom. I'm gonna sanitize this with alcohol. I'm gonna warm my previous razor right here. Wash my hands real quick. And my face. Well, I'm not gonna wash my face again. I'm gonna use an oxygen face mask. I will not be showing the process of like taking it off, but I'm going to use it. So I'm gonna wet my face. I like to do this when I am, typically when I shave. You can do it in the morning time, whatever. If you have any questions, let me know, put them down below. Come on. There we go. It's gonna foam up, y'all. It's gonna foam up. So I'm going to let this sit for like 5 to 10 minutes. See that? Let's sit for like 5 to 10 minutes. Close it up. this is gonna look good. If I don't close it tight, it's going to, do y'all see that? So yeah, gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes or so. And yeah, like I always do opposite of what they say. You can use this 1 or 2 times per week. Apply thick layer, leave it 5 minutes. Yeah, let it sit for like 5 minutes. Sometimes it's like 10, I forget about it. So let it sit for like 10 minutes. You hear it? And wash it off, and that's it. So, do y'all see how that's looking? Do y'all hear that? You probably can't hear it, but it's foaming up now, so. I might as well, no, I'm not finna sit here for that long. Anyway, that is it. Let me go ahead and sanitize this razor. Of course, don't like breathe it in. Typically, I try not to put it so close like that because I don't want to go on my nose. So, like I said, I'm about to sanitize it. All right, so I'm gonna let this finish, give it like 2 more minutes or so, wash it off. Make sure you always use like a disposable towel. I recommend, me personally. When I'm in the shower, I like for my face to like air dry. I don't even wipe my face, to be honest with you. And then also to use a disposable towel and just pat your face dry. And you wanna always go in with moisture. I don't overwash my face. Like, my skin has been improving. It's getting back to where it needs to be. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna wash my face. I'm like, I might as well. I mean, why not? Let me go wash my face. I'm gonna use warm water, and that's it. Okay, so it can be a little hard to get, well, it ain't that hard. Let me not say that, because people will literally take that literal. I need to so that's it. See how it's clear, like my skin look. Okay. Whew. That's it. That's it. Now it's time to moisturize and hydrate. It's time to hydrate and moisturize my face. So thank you for watching.